buddy? What are you ready for?
Getting some ducks.
30 last night or something.
Let's go. Let's follow him. Andrew. A bit of a way, but hang in there, buddy, all right? You can make it. It's not gonna be as much as like what we used to do, so it should be all right.
A few moments later.
Okay, that one right there. You take it.
Get yourself ready. Is it loaded?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh. You got one. Nice. All right, so part of duck hunting, you got to keep your birds in a pile.
Yep.
So
Thank you.
nice green wing too. Yeah, she's going to take all of you.
Drake, nice Drake.
It looked dead.
Look, buddy. Look. How pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're super pretty.
Yeah.
Touch it. I like, I mean, here you go. That's your...
Escaped.
Nope.
No, miss. Hold on. Reload.
I didn't see one go down, no. Oh, that one.
Don't.
Right there. Right there.
Dang it. Oh my god. What the heck? What is going on? Did you get a shot off?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. We're seeing a lot of action today, right?
Oh, yeah, right.
Got him. Did you take a shot?
No.
Okay.
It's too fast.
Is it still moving?
Don't shoot. Yeah.
Thank you.
Way better to have a dog.
Yeah,
Well, I think that's me.
we can run him.
Yeah, right. Yeah, go.
My dog.
Yeah.
Just kidding. I call him Squirrel, so
There you go. Yeah,
run the
that
squirrel.
works.
Hey, do you feel your barrel hot?
Yeah.
Yeah. At least I'm getting something. If I'm a good shot, I'll probably limit it out by now. Right?
Oh, here we go.
That's crazy.
Oh, no. Yeah, no, wait. He's
No?
still. Yeah, well, he's on our right.
You're gonna have to get a little faster, Otter.
Yeah, Otter.
Sorry, Otter. We'll shoot better next time, buddy.
What?
We're gonna shoot better next time.
Yeah,
Why are you so slow?
that's unfortunate.
No, it's not Otter. We shot bad and got crippled. Up on the head.
There you go. Oh!
Oh, look at the feather, Adriel.
Oh.
Is it shooting
Smoked
full
that
choke?
one.
I think that was me.
Yeah, that was one of them. I saw them.
Yeah,
I
think
saw that one.
3-inch shell right there. Get it. Get it.
I don't know, but that one you shot, it didn't like fall down, but it. You know what?
Yeah, they're still flying around to the left.
Say that one group kind of landed back there.
Mhm. They're coming. They're coming. Yeah. Shoot him.
Good girl. I know. Good baby. Oh, kisses, kisses. Kisses, sweetheart.
Here's the.
Kisses. Oh, kisses, kisses, kisses. Oh. Oh, good girl. I know. Right there, bum bums. Right there. You like the bum bums. You like the bum bums. You like the bum bums.
Says I love pets. Oh, look, Adriel, look.